Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing the college apartment room tour. I currently go to Saginaw Valley and I'm a sophomore. I live in a 4-bedroom townhouse with 2 other roommates, and we have 2 full baths, which include a shower, which is really nice for us. So yeah, I'll show you what my room looks like, and if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you'd like to see a tour of our whole townhouse, just let me know, and I'd love to show you guys. Thank you for watching. So to start, we are just outside my door. And then here's kind of like a brief overview of my room. We're gonna start at the back of my door. I have this long white hanging mirror that is back here. I actually don't know where it's from. My mom got it for me. Hi guys. But yeah, I just keep that there. And then to the left of that, I have these 3 hooks that I got at the Dollar Tree that are kind of like off-brand command hooks that I just use to hang my purse, my robe, and my apron for work. So starting at my closet, I have like an open closet. There's no door or anything, so I wanted to get a curtain to kind of hide everything that was in my closet. So I got this. It's actually a shower curtain from At Home, and it really matched my room, so I liked that, and it was cheaper than like getting panels. And then I got the little hooks from At Home as well. I thought they'd be a cute addition with the silver rod that I got at Home. And then I have these buckets, one for my like intimates and things like that, and one I keep socks in. I have laundry detergent and cleaning supplies up there, and then some face masks. And then if you open this, there's all my closet. I have this gray hanging organizer from Bed Bath & Beyond that I actually got from my freshman year dorm that I took with me to this apartment. In the silver bag, I keep snacks, and then there's like a few waters and things like that. There's a few things I keep in my room to snack on, and then this next one is just like medicines and things like that. And then just my extras, so like extra Kleenexes, extra cotton balls. Moving on, here's just my clothes. I got these rose gold hangers from Walmart, actually. You can get like 30 of them for $10. It's a really good deal. And then on the bottom, I just have this 3-drawer organizer that's also from Walmart. And then I just keep like sweatpants, extra like sweaters, and like winter skirts and stuff. And then the bottom one just has like leggings and other pajama pants. So that is my closet. And there's a lot in there, so I like to keep the curtain closed so it can just kind of look nice and pretty at all times. And then moving to the right, here's my desk. So my apartment actually came with this chair and this desk along with like the bed and the dresser. And it's just like a plastic chair, so I put this plush pink blanket on it and this soft pillow just to make it more comfortable because it is kind of hard. And then I have an extension cord under there for just my computer. In this bin, I have all like my folders and notebooks and stuff for class, and some of my books and miscellaneous items. I have like a pencil holder and organizer, my desk lamp, and then moving to the right, I have just like some beauty things. In this pink bucket, I have my hair products, and in the white, I have just makeup and miscellaneous items. I have this silver Conair like makeup mirror that I like to use that my mom got me. I actually don't know where that one's from. And then I have just a spray bottle back there from the Dollar Tree. I have this organizer I got at Home Goods that I like to keep like my makeup brushes, bobby pins, hair ties, earrings, hair clips, and things like that. And then moving on to my bed, I got this plush throw blanket at Ollie's, and my pink comforter is from El Home, but I got it at Marshall's. And then I have these risers to make my bed higher because my bed was pretty low and I like to keep things under it. My pillows, the body pillow in the back is from Target, and then the 3 in the front are from Bed Bath & Beyond. The pillowcases in the middle just came with sheet sets that I got from Ollie as well. And then above my bed, I have this pretty painting. It's a poster I got from the site Society 6. They have a lot of cool posters on there. So I got this one from there. And then over here I had this side table that I got from At Home. It was only $20, which is a super good price. I have this lamp on top that I got from Home Goods. My fan, candle. Moving on, I have this ottoman that my mom actually gave to me, so I don't know exactly where it's from, but I like to keep my remotes on it, and sometimes I'll just pull it over to my desk and sit on it instead of my chair, and it's a little more comfortable. So this is just another overview of my bed, dresser, and bedside table. I just have a small trash can in the corner. I have this laundry bin on wheels, and then here is my TV and dresser. Like I said earlier, the dresser did come with the apartment. And then in front of it, and then behind the dresser is where I keep my lotions and perfumes. So I have just deodorant, candles. I have this owl that keeps change in it in front of my TV, and then just some aloe vera gel is what it's sitting on. On the other side, I just have this J I got from Five Below. There is my TV. And then on the left side, it's just going to be my lotions. They're all kind of like stacked in order. And then on the opposite side, I have all my perfumes and things like that. I also just keep my backpack off to the side, leaned up against the dresser. So yep, there I am again, and here's just another quick little overview for you. Just gonna give you a slow motion overview of my room. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope to see you back on Thursday for another new video. Please like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.